Friends, we have discussed about the meaning of the word arrest in the earlier video. Now we are examining the rights of arrested persons. Since India was under a colonial rule, even after independence, in spite of the CRPC provision that an arrested person should be took before a magistrate, he should be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, that was always violated. Sometimes, for weeks together, persons will remain in police custody, especially in the case of thefts done by non criminals. They will be produced before the court weeks after the arrest. Now, all these things led to the Supreme Court to pass guidelines. 11 guidelines were passed in DK Basu case. As per those guidelines, rights of citizen when arrested are proclaimed by the Supreme Court. Thereafter, Indian citizens came to know that persons arrested are also having some rights and they are implemented. The first right in the guidelines, the first guideline was about the officer who arrests. The officer who arrests should make his identity clear to the person arrested. The officer should bear a badge or identification by which the arrested person should be able to know who is this officer who is arresting me, what is his rank in the police, etc. That was the first guideline, and along with the first guideline also itself, the Supreme Court has stated that the persons who are interrogating the arrested person also should reveal his identity to the arrested person. He also should bear some badge or identification by which the arrested man should know who is questioning me, who is interrogating me. The second guideline was regarding the preparation of arrest memo. An arrest memo should be prepared wherein all the details, the day, time, place where a person is arrested, and witnesses who witnessed this arrest, everything should be recorded in the arrest memo. That is the second guideline. And the third guideline is the duty of the police to inform the best friend, the next friend, or a relative of the person arrested about the arrest. And the fourth guideline is to notify these details, the time, place of arrest, etc., to the public about the arrest. And this notification should be given to the next friend or relative or person who is interested in the welfare of the arrested person. And that was the fourth guideline. The fifth guideline was that the person arrested should be made aware of his rights. You are having following rights as per the Supreme Court ruling, and those rights should be conveyed to him. He should be told that you are having such and such rights. That is the next guideline. And thereafter, the court has pointed out that a diary should be kept in every place where a person is arrested, and all the details of the arrest should be recorded in the diary. The higher officials or the court can examine such a diary. That was the sixth guideline passed by the Supreme Court. And thereafter, after the arrest, the existing injuries on the body of the person arrested should be recorded, and a copy should be given to the accused and persons interested in the welfare of the arrested person. The eighth guideline was about medical examination. Every 48 hours, the arrested person should be produced before a competent government medical officer, and he should be examined, and the result will be kept as a record. And the ninth guideline was about giving copies of every document to an arrested person. And the 10th guideline was a very important guideline wherein it is stated that the arrested person should be informed that he is eligible for legal aid and help by a lawyer of his choice. Any lawyer who is chosen by the arrested person can visit the arrested person, and his custodial interrogation can be witnessed by such a lawyer. A lawyer can participate in the custodial interrogation. That is the 10th guideline. And the 11th guideline is about the starting of a police control room in every district headquarters and state headquarters, wherein all the details of arrest and arrested person and the records relating to arrest should be kept. Higher authorities or the court can examine such a control room. That is the 11th guideline.